Hi, this is Sheetal Bide from My Bike My World. I just took a test ride of this bike, the Duke 390, and it comes to me as a wonderful package. Some people do like to call it as the pocket rocket, and they're absolutely right. You know, this bike has a great speed and a wonderful pickup. It is made really well. The design, the concept is just as the Duke 200 which was earlier launched. Yet this bike, the engine, everything is superb. You don't have any problem during cornering. I have taken it for a short spin outside the city and did some off-roading as well. The tires are phenomenal. The grip is great. And if you do see, the bike does have Brembo brakes and the brakes are really good. The ABS works wonderfully. There's no problem with the ABS at all. And here is a small switch which you need to press so the ABS starts working. If you do not need it, preferably you should use it in the city as well as outside. But if you do not need it, then with a small press of the finger, it's taken care of. Since I have been doing some off-roading on this bike, you can see that the parts around are dirty, yet the shock absorber is same as in Duke 200. Here we have the steel trellis frame which is orange color and looks really attractive. Then the forks, if you do see the forks, they are also similar to the Duke 200 and are working effectively. Really good job done. You can see that the radiator is really big here to allow good ventilation and reduce the heating of this bike. The digital console is the same as the 200 which was there earlier. The only difference is this one does mark if the ABS is activated or not. Then here is the same side indicators, then the lights and the horn. I would say that this is the side indicator switch is really soft and very nice, easy to operate. You don't have to fumble for anything over here. The kill switch is really nice. Everything is just as it is in the 200. The Duke 390 is rightfully called as the pocket rocket. Those who wish to upgrade their 200s, they must go for the Duke 390. It's a great bike.